Hello, welcome to my video guide. Our video today is based on how I do my football analysis before placing my bet. So stay tuned till the end of this video as I will show you live as I'm placing my $100 bet for today. Okay, we will be back right after the video intro. Before we get started, make sure you check out essential links below in the video description and let us know which video you had like us to do next. I'm sure you might have come across several YouTube videos saying you cannot become rich or you cannot make it with betting, but I'm here to tell you that if you stay consistent on a particular league or limited odds, believe me, in the long run, you will definitely get there with that consistency. So today, I will show you how I do my football analysis, how I analyze every game before taking my shot like a sniper. So stay tuned as we get started with the very first step I do before placing my bet. First of all, it is good you have in mind that my target is at least a sure odd of 3, 4 or 5. So once I hit my odd 3, sure 4 or 5, I go for it. So the very first thing I do before placing my bet is have a list of the key teams that lost or drew their last league games. Make sure it is a league game and not a cup game, so do not confuse or do not mix up the two. So here is my list of the clubs that lost or drew their last league games. Chelsea took a 3-1 defeat at Newcastle. Atletico de Madrid took a 3-1 defeat too at Barcelona. Liverpool drew versus Sunderland. Bayer Leverkusen lost the match on home soil to Dortmund. PSG lost their last league game to Monaco, and Club Brugge also lost their last league games. So I will first check out these teams, see their odds, see their team forms, and consider them in my betting slip, especially those teams I know they are in top form, but just that the game was stronger than them that day, or they have key players coming back from injury. So that is the first thing you need to consider doing. Okay, the second phase of our analysis can be done straight in our betting app. So the betting app I'm using is Melbet, and Melbet offers several advantages as compared to some other bookies. So let's get started. Let's hustle for our $100 bet today. Okay, the teams I listed. Let's get started with the Premier League. Let's go for Chelsea. Chelsea took a 3-1 defeat to Leeds United. So I'm not sure they would like to have 2 consecutive defeats, even though it's possible, but chances are quite low. Okay, Chelsea faces Bournemouth. Let's go deeper with my analysis. So from here, you can check out the league table, or you can first confirm what I was saying. You can clearly see Chelsea's last game. They took a 3-1 defeat to Leeds United and still a 1-1 draw versus Arsenal. So that's even 2 consecutive games that they are dropping points. So let's go to the league table and check out their position. Standings. Okay, let it load. Yeah, Chelsea sits 4th behind Aston Villa with 27 points. And since Aston Villa is facing Arsenal, so Chelsea is hoping they will drop points because Arsenal is in good form, or both teams can still drop points. So on normal basis, Chelsea should even win their game. But we need a sure coupon. So I will go for Chelsea's double chance. And another great tip is focus on 1 or 2 options, so you will be able to notice patterns from the odds. As for me, I'm focused on wins or double chance, because from some of these odds, I'm already able to say who can win or who cannot win the game, even though it is not always the case, but most of the times the odds tells you what to do. So let's go with Chelsea's double chance. Good. Let's check out another game in the Premier League. Okay, Liverpool has has been in bad shape. I don't know what's happening at Anfield, but Liverpool still remains Liverpool. Let's check out their recent games. They took a 1-1 draw, took a 2-0 defeat, 3-0 defeat at home, 3-0 defeat to Man City. This is already a bad form, but hopefully they will rise today. And from the odds, this odds of 184 at away games, it is usually a nice one. So I will go with Liverpool's double chance as my second game. Let's go to France and check out PSG for our next game, because Monaco defeated PSG 1-0 draw. Okay, PSG faces Stade Rennais. We can check out the league table, statistics, standings. Okay, Paris is second with 30 points. The table is still tight, so PSG can still take the lead if they are able to beat Rennes. So I'm sure that will not be a big deal for them. Let's check out the recent games. Head to head, PSG won 4-1. PSG at home has been winning them, even though it is quite tough. So I will go with PSG wins the game. Let's go to the Bundesliga and check out Bayer Leverkusen. Okay, Bayer Leverkusen faces Augsburg. Let's check out their recent head-to-head games. Leverkusen won 2-0. Leverkusen at away still won 2-0. So Leverkusen has been doing well from their away games. But to increase our chances of winning this odd, I will go with Leverkusen double chance. So this is already 4 games. Odds is still at 2.9. My target is an out of 3. So let's look for another game. Let us move to La Liga Barcelona has been in good shape, especially with the return of some of their key players like Rafinha. So Barcelona is facing Real Betis. Barcelona double chance is a nice bet. Atletico lost their last game to Barcelona, but facing Bilbao away is a tough game. So I will prefer to let this one slide. We already have 6 games. Chelsea wins or draw, Liverpool wins or draw, PSG wins the game, Leverkusen wins or draw, Barcelona wins or draw, and out of 3.7. So I'm sure this is okay from our analysis and predictions. This is a predicted bet slip and not something sure. So do not take your fortune and place here that Learning Compass prediction channel said it is a sure ticket. So let's go. How much are we putting here today? From our strategy, our betting capital is $100 per day. So let's go $100 on this one. So we are expecting $374. That's $274 win. It is small, but the compound effect is something you guys are sleeping on, man. Let's place this bet. Okay, bet placed successfully. $100. So here is it. So now all we have to do is sit and wait for our results. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and stay subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.